Hi, it's Heather again with her nails, her peeling nails. So I just wanted to check in with you about the Turn on the Northern Lights color. That color wore beautifully. If it hadn't been for my own personal nail issue here and here, it probably would have been able to last 2 weeks. Even though this past week I put in some overtime at work. So it wore beautifully. I highly recommend the color. And I also learned last week that there are two separate OPI types of nail lacquer or nail polish. And the ones with the black caps right here, these ones are the normal nail lacquer line. They're not part of the Infinite Shine system. I had used the Infinite Shine system with them and it seemed to work just fine. But I will be getting the normal nail lacquer top coat and base coat so that I can properly do the nails the way that OPI suggests. And these two colors, this one here, Susie Takes a Sound Bath, and this one here is Clean Slate. These were both part of the fall color line and they are not available anymore. I kind of went hunting for the clearance to see if anything survived. The fall colors were gone. There was no clearance ones at our Ultas or at Target. so if you have these colors, they're gorgeous. I do plan to do blue and gray, like blue and gray, you know, kind of mix it up. But that's the black caps. Now, the Infinite Shine system really does work because I tried this color here, which is I'm Not Really a Waitress, which is a pretty burgundy color or a dark red with some sparkle to it. And I did one hand, no top coat, no bottom coat. It faded. I did the Infinite Shine system on this hand. It worked. So this Infinite Shine system, you see the nails that have lasted and been really beautiful? It works. All right. Now it's time to talk about nail vitamins. I'm doing a hair and nail vitamin and it does seem to be working, and I did not clip and file my nails with a metal nail file this past week. So they are a little bit longer than normal. I will have to trim these up probably in the next week so that I don't get my nails splitting, because they're pretty flexible right here. I do have anemia. I'm not anemic right now, so don't worry about me, but I do have anemia, and that is one of the, you know, outward symptoms of it. So I'm going to talk about Halloween here. I'm really excited. I've been waiting to do this look, and I love this color. This one you may have seen before in my first nail video, the one that got the most views, my bloody orange. Yeah, this one here is by Essie. It's called Risk Takers Only, and I will not be putting the glitter from OPI on it this time because I will be doing Halloween nails, and this is a beautiful, beautiful orange. All right, so that's one. Our next one here is also by Essie. This is the Expressie. This is black. It's called Now or Never, and I like the Expressie. It doesn't really dry in a minute, but you can wish for it too. But it does dry a little bit faster than the traditional Essie. So we will be painting our nails with these, and since the Infinite Shine system works to help my colors last longer, even if it's Essie or, you know, the traditional nail lacquer by OPI, it works. And it also works on Nailtopia. Well, it would have if my nails didn't totally crap out. But hey, we're gonna do these two. Pow! I'm kidding. I'm just playing with editing now. So here we go. The final look. Black and orange. So this will I'll clean this up a little bit more and pop a picture at the end so that you can see it a little bit more cleaned up. But I'll go through what I have used today, as always, or not, soon to not be always. OPI Infinite Shine 1 Primer, Essie, Risk Takers Only. I probably need bifocals because I cannot focus on that very well anymore. So Essie and Essie's Expressie in Now or Never. See, Now or Never. I get them confused. But this is a quick dry nail color. And last, we have OPI's Infinite Shine 3. And these have been good to me. So I will take a picture of that final look. And you'll see it. Halloween is my favorite holiday. What is your favorite holiday? And if you want to, you can comment your favorite Halloween color. So the colors that are traditionally Halloweeny are black and orange, of course. Frankenstein green, so it's not quite the Nailtopia green I had. That's more of a poison ivy green. But so like Dracula, blood red, black, lots of black and purple and greens. Do you have a non-traditional favorite color that goes with Halloween? Tell me about it in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. So this is the finished look. I have cleaned up the edges, and it looks really nice. Bye again.